This afternoon I had 2 puppies in for their first introductory session. First up is Tula, and she's a Tibetan Terrier. I started off by putting her in the bath and getting her used to the sound of the shower, and then same again for the hairdryer. I used treats to be able to trim around her paws, and then I gave her a little brush through. We even had time for a quick play. Next up is Phoenix, and he's a Labradoodle puppy. I gave him a brush and then I started getting him used to the dryer. I then put him in the bath and he liked drinking the water from the shower, and he also let me clip his nails. Finished off with a play with Henry, and I'll see him next month for session 2.